So in this file, you're going to see some different questions that ask you to think about what is actually happening in the problem to then actually solve some things. So we want to make sure that we're paying attention here. All right, so it says, what type of triangle is CGB? So again, I'm going to highlight stuff so it stands out. So CGB. So it literally doesn't tell me anything. All right, it says, what kind of triangle is it? And it's one of these things with circles, there's lots of weird things that happen, and there's lots more thinking that has to go in circle problems. Okay, it's always important what the center is. So the center is point G. All right, and what that means is that from G to C and from G to B, they're both a radius. So GB, GC are each a radius. Since they're both a radius, they must be equal. Because every single radius in a circle has to be exactly the same. Since those two things are the same, we know that triangle CGB is an isosceles triangle because it has two equal sides that are each a radius. All right, so that's kind of how I work my way through something like this in a circle question. And that could lead to all kinds of other things actually happening, which is why circles are the hardest things to work your way through because they take the most thinking. The problems aren't that much harder, it just takes much more thinking.